Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Fossa ovalis present on. Fossa ovalis is present on, and your options are A, right atrium, B, left ventricle, C, coronary siculus, and D, interatrial septums. So fossa ovalis, it is the special structure, and that special structure it is present in, and your options are A, right atrium, B, left ventricle, C, coronary siculus, and D, interatrial septums. So which is our key concept? Our key concept is that the fossa ovalis. Key concept, it is what? It is the fossa ovalis. It is a special structure, and that special structure it is present in. Before solving this question, we discuss shortly the structure of heart. Now the heart, as you know that the heart, it is the four chambers. Okay, the heart, it is the four chamber. The upper two chamber, it is called as the auricles. Auricles, or which is called the atrium, and lower chamber, it is called the ventricles. Okay, auricles and ventricles. So this is the right auricle, this is the left auricles, this is the right ventricles, and this is what? This is the left ventricles. So this is the structure of heart, and in that structure of heart, this auricle, it is the upper chamber, and ventricle, it is the lower chamber. This right auricle, it receives the blood from the three veins. Okay, and that three veins are, this right auricle receives blood from a superior vena cava, then B, inferior vena cava, and C, coronary sinus. Okay, this auricle, it receives the blood from these three parts: superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and then coronary sinus. Now this auricle, it is separated, right auricle, it is separated from the left auricle by the one special structure, and that structure, it is called the interarterial septum. The right auricle separated to left auricle by a structure called, which is called as interatrial septum. Interatrial septum. Septum means the wall. Septum, and that interatrial septum contains the fossa ovalis. Okay, it contains fossa ovalis. Okay, it contains the fossa ovalis. So from the starting, we discussed that fossa ovalis, it is a structure, and it is present interatrial septum, because the heart, it is a four chamber. The upper two chamber, it is called the auricles, lower chamber, it is called as the ventricle. The auricle, it is this right auricle, it receives the blood from these three veins: superior vena cava, then inferior vena cava, and then coronary sinus. Okay, and then this auricle, it is separated to the this right auricle, it is separated to the left auricle or the left atrium by structure which is called the interatrial septum, and that interatrial septum, it contains the fossa ovalis. So your correct answer is the option number D, interatrial septum. Okay, now again that the blood, it is exit the right atrium. Blood, it is exit the right atrium, that is the blood it loose from the right auricles through the tricuspid wall. Okay, there is a presence of tricuspid wall between this right auricle and then right ventricles. Now, so these are the shortly structure of what. So your correct answer is the option number D, interatrial septum. I also write here your correct answer. Answer is that the option D, interatrial septum. So I hope you will clearly understood it. Best of luck.